Hey guys, today I wanted to show you this set my mom just received. This is a two-piece waffle knit set, and it includes a relaxed fit top and the matching shorts with the pockets in the back, as you can see, and on the sides. The fabric is super soft, lightweight, and breathable, and it has just the right amount of stretch for all-day comfort. My mom loves how versatile this set is because you can wear it at home while running errands, or you could do it all the way for traveling or on vacation. So it's super nice. You can also have it mixed with your wardrobe, so you could wear your shorts with a different top or the top with some jeans or another skirt. So overall, this is a super stylish and comfortable, easy to wear outfit that is perfect for summer. I love the buttery yellow color. So my favorite feature and my mom's are definitely the waffle knit fabric. It's just super comfy for her, and it's relaxed with functional pockets. So if you're looking for a set that's super comfy and cute, then I would definitely recommend getting it.